All right, here we are, you guys. We're on a very long pedestrian bridge in Champlin, Minnesota on March 9th, 2024. This one's a big one. So this goes across 169. It's a nice day. There's over here where I parked, there's a old, like a closed tire store over here, so this one's nice. Big ass one. Champlin's it's right out of the outskirts of Anoka, kind of tell it's a wash. No trespassing down there. People gotta go under there and cause trouble. But I've been doing a lot of pedestrian bridges. You guys know if you follow the channel. Walking across a lot of them, seeing it, you know, the experience and all kind. I see them a lot of other ones. I've been up north and stuff for work, but can't really do that while you're doing work. So it's just kind of interesting to see how some are smaller, some are really long. Just solidly built, good cement. Yeah, Champlin's north of Twin Cities. Egan McKay, they've been around for a while. Used to be members over at Oak Ridge Country Club. Egan Brothers. Do a lot of. You kind of compete with Hunt Electric, I think. Peoples used to be around. They went out of business like 3 years ago. Yeah, it was a tire company right there. I don't know which one it was called, but they're right there. Solidly built. Big one. This biggest one I've ever been on. All these over there. Child care over here. They got a lot of house on their side, so yeah, I can go back and forth. Yeah, Big O Tires it was called. So it's no longer in business anymore. Be great for going down on your skateboard. I don't know if that movie theater's open or not over there. It'd be a great way to buy one of those movie theaters and stream concerts, like when Taylor Swift is on tour. You can see her in concert live. Big Champlin one. That way's towards Anoka. 169, and it's down towards Minneapolis. So if you live over here, you can take your bike or go to a movie. But I don't know if it's open or not. See a lot of ones I've done in Minneapolis, you guys have seen, just full of trash. So that's a pretty big one. Only there's one up here, down there. If I had time to go get to it, it's kind of a smaller one. I have a trail. A little pond over here. Those child cares are not those are not cheap either. like per month, per child, or whatever the hell it is. Not inexpensive for child care. I've always said if the government would subsidize child care, a lot more people would be in the workforce. So, but pretty nice one. Not cheap. All the way down the hill. Those movie theaters would be cool to buy. Got an apartment complex over here. A little karate action. Anyways, walk back up the other way. These are good to have on the highways if people use them. You don't get run over when they don't use them. Always someone getting run over. But I got another one I want to do over off in Fridley of a 65. Kind of goes back and forth to the school into the residential area. It's a big one too as well. Circle one. This is kind of big too as well. Saw the rail fanny one. Big dog, big truck. Police officer sitting there waiting. Right over there, speed trap. So I went to Hoagie's this morning, had a nice breakfast. Nice. The old ham and cheese. He's sitting down there waiting for someone to come by speeding. One thing about a stoplight, you ought to be stopped by the time he's in speeding, so. As you can tell, men and women blue down there. Channel police trying to keep the lights on. Cub Foods over there. It's a nice little town. They got good schools. This weekend is it's going to be Dinah and Chanhassen for the AA championship. First time Chanhassen's ever been in the playoffs. But all the kids, when they were younger, all wanted to play together. They didn't go for a private school, so they're winning for their city, not for a school. So, you know, Caitlin's is in town. Pumpkin Ball this weekend, so this type of year. NFL starts their season next week. People releasing, so anyways, another pedestrian bridge in the books. Now they do a lot of Egan and McKay. They do a lot of stuff. They do electrical, lights. They've been around a while. I remember that both the brothers were members, like I said, at Minneapolis Golf Course over in St. Louis Park. Nice guys. I think they've been out of the business or if they even are alive anymore, but anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed another fun little video on a pedestrian bridge. No snow. I never took my snow blower out once this year at all, so I guarantee it's the snow people have gotten the shaft. So, but anyways, guys, from the outskirts, Champlin, Minnesota, another parking. All right. See you next one. Ciao.